You are a dream come true. You're beautiful, flourishing, strong, full of love, balanced, tuned, beautiful, loved, and open to receiving all good. Your intuition is deep, profound, otherworldly. Your beauty is phenomenal and magnetic. You are divinely protective. And the ancestors, your ancestors, once this matches you in energy, frequency, and vibration, support you fully. You have grown beyond shaman journeys, learning how to breathe, sacred breath, sacred being, and you made it through. And it shows. You're absolutely gorgeous, refreshed. If you want to take some deep breaths to remember your strength, as this rain refreshes your strength, your beauty, your beautiful strength, and reminds you that yes, you made it through. Your chakras are tuned and balanced. Congratulations. From a rough ride to smooth sailing, you're open and receiving a journey of smooth sailing. The boat's name is Freedom. Freedom from a rough ride to smooth sailing. Asheo.